Now that July 29th is over, I'm going to give you the answer that you have all been waiting to find out about. Did it rain on my birthday? And the answer to that question is no, it did not. I had absolutely no rain at all yesterday. None. Zero. Nada. Completely clear day. It didn't even rain nearby. And that's only the fifth time that's happened. So what I'm going to do in upcoming years is I'm just going to do one short little video after my birthday to say that the score now is rain 51 and no rain 5. And I'm just going to keep a running total rather than will it rain on my birthday, because now it's at a point where we've had a few years, and actually 2 years in a row now, 2012, 2013, where there was no rain. Not about 4 people respond to me with posts about whether they think it would rain or not. All 4 were wrong. They all said that there will be a little bit of rain. There was none. So there you go. You have your answer. Now we might be able to have 51 days of sunlight on my birthday. But who knows? But I'm just going to give you the running total July 30th of every year. Thank you for allowing me to bore you. Have a great day. Bye.